we can also apply a style for what happens when the cursor hovers over the top of our link. Okay, so let's have a look how we might do that. So let's go back to our cascading style sheet, and as I say, at the moment our links are styled just depending on what the browser defaults are. So it's this kind of bluish type colour for unvisited links and mauve type colour or purpley type colour for visited links. Okay, well how do we define it? Well, we define it first of all just using the A, because the A tag is the one we use for links. However, we then use a colon, and we then define the state. Okay, so the state that we're going to define the style for is just link. Okay, so this just selects any link that your user hasn't visited yet. Okay, and it's while the mouse isn't hovering over it or clicking on it. So we're going to change its color. So there we go. Change the color, and we'll make all links kind of a darkish red. That's fine. And let's just have a quick look and make sure that's been applied. There we go, yeah. Okay, so it's now this kind of darkish red. However, at the moment, if I click on it, so we then visit it, and just then go back again, you'll notice that it's turned back to this mauvey colour because now we visited it, and that style that we applied, if you remember, only applies to links that haven't yet been visited. The other style that gets very commonly applied is something called text decoration. And text decoration defines whether, for example, something is underlined or whether it's got a line through it. And by default, all links are underlined on web pages, and quite often people don't like that. So a very common style to apply is this text decoration and then none, and that removes the underlining. So again, let's just quickly go back to our web page so I can show. I'm going to have to remove or delete the browser history again, just so that the web browser doesn't know that I've been to the site. There we go, and we'll just refresh that page, and there we go. So it's that red colour, and it now no longer has an underline.